brand new week. This week we are going to be starting a new unit in math all about measurement. So today we're just going to spend a few minutes talking about two new vocabulary terms that you need to know for this unit. Alright, we're going to be talking about length. And length of objects can be shorter than or longer than each other. So what do I mean by shorter than or longer than? Well, we're going to use these two different color sets of blocks. I have 6 blocks of orange and 10 blocks of blue. Now when I line these blocks up together, I can tell that one is smaller or bigger. We're going to use the vocabulary terms shorter than or longer than. I'm going to tell you that my orange set of blocks is shorter than my blue set of blocks. That's because there are 6 blocks and that's a smaller number than 10. I can change that though and also tell you that my blue set of blocks is longer than my orange set of blocks. And that's just using our two new vocabulary terms that you probably already are a little bit familiar with. We can also use this with objects that are not the exact same. Miss Hannah, can you help us?
Here are 2 household items that I found just sitting around the classroom. I have a broom and I have a clock. Now both of these different objects are different lengths. One is shorter and one is longer. Let's compare them. Miss Celia, can you help me hold them up?
Yes.
Which one is shorter?
Do, 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 do.
And which one is longer? The clock or the broom?
Do, 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 do. All right, the answer is in. Miss Hannah, what's the shorter object?
The clock is the shorter object. But Miss Celia, which one is the longer object?
I definitely think the broom is the longer object.
Very good. Let's compare 2 more objects. All right, I found a water bottle and a tube in case I want to go swimming. Now, which one of these 2 is the shorter object? Is it the water bottle or the tube?
Can you find some object, any object, just one, and then we're going to have our assignment be comparing other objects to that one object. So in my example on our PowerPoint, you'll see that I chose the whiteboard. And then I found objects that were shorter than the whiteboard and longer than. For example, you will see that I wrote a pencil as being shorter than my whiteboard. It would take a lot of pencils to be longer than my whiteboard. Also, I don't have an elephant, but if there was an elephant in this room, it would be way longer than my whiteboard. So at home, find a toy, find any object, and compare other things in your house. See you tomorrow.